Greetings, YouTube. We have an oily bird. We don't know what kind of bird.
But we're going to try to clean him up. We got some Dawn soap.
Felicia found him when she got home from breakfast.
Can I get in here, babe?
Yep.
Thanks. Whoa!
Yeah, it's all or nothing. Okay, I know. Oh, that's cold water. It's cold water. I know. No, at least you're moving around. You weren't moving around before.
Do you have a towel that you don't care about?
Yeah, the one behind you.
Okay.
You're not gonna worry about that one too much.
So we're using Dawn soap, which is actually the soap that wildlife rescuers use.
Yeah. Not that I think you'd fit, but I know, it sucks.
This is the stuff they use to get
sucks.
oil spills off of penguins and seabirds.
I'm sorry, I think I got your little blowholes. Yeah, I did, didn't I? Ow! Hey!
Did he bite you?
Yeah, you must be feeling a little better if you bit me. Yeah, you're feeling better? A little bit better? Okay. Or are you just showing off because there's other people here?
No, I must
No, what's up? No, that's gross now.
Annie, can you hand us some cotton swabs?
Sure.
Do we want a little bit of fresh water and...
Yeah, I think that may be a good idea.
Why don't we put the water in the soap container first, then add the soap this time?
Okay.
And you keep trying to get it off your beak. You were making some crackling noises earlier. It's okay. Nope, I think this is what I planned on doing on the birthday.
What'd you do? Save the bird.
What were you planning to do?
Today's Felicia's birthday and she's doing bird rescue.
At least I can actually see your feathers now.
Do you want a little bit of soap on your hands or just in the water?
Just in the water, I think it'll be alright. Because I think it's going to take a while. I hope I don't have to keep him overnight, because I'm not sure if he's cold or scared.
Well, at the moment, he's because he has no ability to keep warm himself. He has no insulation at the moment.
That's why you don't like the coldness. I know.
Maybe a little deep when you dump some of it.
Oh, I got him. He's alright. He's just trying to get out because he didn't like it. Which is good, because he didn't even try when I put him in the sink.
As you can see from the inside of the tub, there's oil everywhere.
He was definitely an oily bird.
Oh, did you see the sink in the kitchen?
No.
No.
Oh yeah, that's the starting place. And I was like, this is not gonna work. Don't bite me.
Too late.
I was trying to help you. Oh, I can see your skin now. That's good. Good. I'm never riding ivory again.
You never what?
Buying ivory.
So we're going to continue to clean the bird and see what happens. He's a little more lively now. He's flapping around a bit.
The water's not nearly as oily.
We still don't know what he is.
He's just got to be a little sparrow. Do we want to try to dry him now?
Now he's in the drying stage.
He's breathing awful heavy.
Oh, he's very, very stressed.
Oh, he's still so sticky.
Yes. Well, don't have any idea how much oil's on him. We are not outside in the sunlight, or somewhat sunlight. He's definitely not happy. Still getting oil off of him, even though they've washed him thoroughly. You have no idea how much oil, how much washing can a bird take.
This is an unhappy bird.
Mm.
There, I'm just gonna move your ring and your bracelet, and I'm gonna put it on this.
Yeah, just hand him to me, dear.
Are you sure?
I'm gonna be going home with her.
Okay.
What was in the
I
plan?
was just thinking, like, I don't want to knock it
Oh yeah, I know. I know you don't like me. I know you don't like me.
into the sink.
I'm not messing around. I'm drowning you in soap. I'm drowning you in soap. Bird agitation. Bird agitation.
That's one wet, unhappy bird.
But he should be clean. We're hoping for the best there, bub. Back into the towel with you. Come on, you have to let go. There you go. Go shake it out, huh? Go shake it all out. Bird. Bird.
Here we have the bird
Snuggling.
outside in the sun. We're hoping the bird will dry out soon. He seems to be clean, which is a good thing. He also seems to be somewhat disoriented. That I can't blame him. He fell into a pan of oil. We think he may have hopped in because it looked a whole lot like water to a bird. Shiny reflective surface, just like water does. So. Let's hope he's okay. He is starting to get fluffier. Here's his feathers are drying out. He's starting to get himself a little warmth. I'm sure he's freezing. Birds keep themselves warm by fluffing out their feathers, which you can't do when they're coated in motor oil. Hoping he'll be okay. He's just flew off from Felicia's lap, so we're thinking he's going to be okay. He used to be behaving very bird-like, so everything seems to be all right. Matter.
Oh, he's taking a dirt bath.
Yeah, he's looking. Yeah, he's looking for dirt.
Okay.
He'll be all right. He just wants to get the stuff off him, the water off him.
He just started, but then he stopped. Now he's like, hey, hey.
Successful bird rescue. Woohoo! Thank you, Felicia.
And Lara.
And Lara. Lara also helped with this.
I helped too.